everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for number 10 in the series of Countdown to Christmas that I'm doing. Today I'm sharing with you these cute festive reindeer gift tags that I've made. And I've used embossing folder for the reindeer head. It's got reindeer with his big antlers on here, and then lots of different ornaments hanging from his antlers. So it's a really cute embossing folder. So that's how I made the impressions on the gift tags. And then I also used some word dies that I was able to cut out different words. So I've got Mary on this one. And this one I did on some gold, kind of gold shimmery cardstock. And there's the reindeer with the ornaments on there. And I used the stickle to bling up the ornaments a little bit. Added the word on there, just kind of put it on an angle, and then added some hanging tag, and it's ready to go. You could just put a to from on the back if you want to, or however you like to use that. Here's the second one in the same paper. It says joy on there. Yeah, it turned out nice. I just kind of cut the bottom of the gift tag just a little differently for that one. And for the tops I used my envelope punch board. And I've got some here in this kind of shimmery silver paper, and this one says joy, and I used red to cut that word out. I think that turned out really nice. And then we've got one that says love, and I've got a nice little shape piece there to put the word love on, so it kind of stands out. And the word peace, and this one's on kind of a matte, kind of a gray colored background. I think it looks good. And then I did a couple on the pretty silvery white paper, and this one says peace and Mary, and I kept these ones just kind of all white. I just think they just kind of look very pretty that way. So yeah, I hope that gives you some ideas. I'm gonna just put one together for you here in just a minute here. Okay, so I've got one here on this kind of matte, kind of gray paper that I've used, and it's already embossed there with the reindeer. And so what I'm going to do now is attach this little label here that says love on there. And I've already got some tape on the back here, so just get that ready here. Just kind of center it where I want it. Oops, that was a little crooked. Just going to turn it just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then I've got this cord here that I'm using for the hanging tag part of it. So it's just a jewelry craft cord, and this is a metallic silver here. So I've got a piece ready to go here. Let's put that through this. It's always nice to have some extra gift tags on hand too, isn't it? Especially handmade. Okay, and then I've got the stickle here. It's this glitter glue here, and that's how I dressed up the ornaments. So I just sort of pick a few. Well, actually I did them all because I thought it looked nice. But this takes a couple minutes to make them pretty. So there you have it. You could put a little more on around here if you wanted to add a little extra, but for now I'm just going to leave it like that. So you just want to let the glue dry, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you feel inspired, and maybe gift tags are on your list of things that you're going to create next. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.